Welcome back, everybody. We're back here at the shop today. We took a week off. I went on vacation, and we decided it'd be good for the family. So we're in here. We're working on both vehicles today. Come with us and check it out.
Welcome to Yarbrough's Motorsports. Hey, we'll try some. I mean, you know. Oh.
So we're over here on my car. We're taking off these brackets right here. We're cutting them off and replacing them with new ones. That's the new bracket that we're going to put on it. This is the other one that we took off. We cut it off right here and down here. We're going to clean it all up, get it where it needs to be, and then we're going to weld it all in. Stay tuned. That's what we're doing for my car today. Let's go check out and see what Chris is doing on this. Oh, let's go back to Chris and see what he's doing now. We're putting everything back together. Use some soft material when you put them back in.
Soft.
That way you don't mess up. Use metal, you're gonna scar them all up to hell and back.
Oh, it's too soft.
I need some oak.
It's too soft.
Well, here we are back with Chris's car. Finally getting one hub together. After how long, Chris?
I ain't even gonna say that.
About an hour and a half. But that's what it takes.
When you don't know what you're doing with this.
What it takes when you don't know what you're doing. It's a learning progress for everybody, even us. Hell yeah. But got my charging post in. Worked on that for a little bit. Put a new neck in. Put my thermostat in. In my car. And let's see, we tore all that out. We can get our plates in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Race about to start, so we're about to go watch the race, eat a little food, and we'll get back to it. See y'all in a little while.